Hey, this is Dr. Matthew Jurgis here at Proactive Health Group. So today I'm answering the question, do adjustments hurt? No, they're relatively pain-free. The only time I would say when you can have some minor discomfort is if you try and guard or kind of strain through the adjustment, in which case you kind of tense your muscles up to prevent any movement. And in that case, we're trained to help you relax through it and find more comfortable setups in a way where we can kind of assure that it's going to be comfortable through and through. So I hope this answers that question. Thanks for listening.